Moment of silence. So I never saw this on the TV. I never heard it on the radio. I don't know if your parents even know about it. So here is a letter. I don't know if this letter, at the time of this recording, I don't know if this letter is going to go home with you or not, but I want to read this letter to you and I need you to talk to your parents about the moment of silence. So your parents go, "What'd you do in school today?" We got to talk about the moment of silence. Okay? Here's why. Dear parents or guardians, okay? Effective this school year, all schools will observe a moment of silence at the beginning of the school day. As a class, we will participate in the moment of silence during first period, which is kind of our homeroom. The moment of silence will last 1 to 2 minutes, during which time students may not interfere with other students' participation. What does that mean? That means it is a moment of silence. You must be silent. You're not talking to anybody. You're in your own little world. Okay? You are doing your moment of silence and everybody else is doing your moment of silence. Teachers may not make suggestions as to the nature of any reflection that a student may engage in during the moment of silence. Moment of silence. You are silent. However, parents and guardians are encouraged to discuss the moment of silence with their child to make suggestions as to the best use of this time during the moment of silence. What are you going to do? You're going to be silent, but what's going to be going on in your head? Okay? The new law, this is a law. Miss J didn't decide to do this. Mr. Lavizio didn't decide to do this. Nobody in our school decided to do this. This is a new law. The new law states the legislature finds that in today's hectic society, too few persons are able to experience a moment of quiet reflection before plunging headlong into the activities of daily life. The legislator finds that our youth will be well served if students are afforded a moment of silence at the beginning of each school day. So, this is a law that you take the 60 seconds, maybe more, that you take a moment of silence. Okay, it's a law. So you need to talk to your parents. Look what it says. Parents and guardians are encouraged to discuss the moment of silence with their child to make suggestions about the best use of the time, what's going on during the moment of silence, like in your head, because you're being silent. You're not looking at other people or talking to other people during the moment of silence. So then it says, please do not hesitate. Contact me if you have any questions about the moment of silence. So this is to your, this is actually like to your parents, your guardian. So they can call me, they can call Ms. J, they can call one of your teachers, they can call any of us. So make sure that tonight when you go home, you tell your parents about the new law that they may or may not know about and talk to them about what you should be doing, like in your head, during the moment of silence, because you're not to be looking at other people or talking, especially not talking to other people. This is a law. This is not something that we have come up. It's a law that must be adhered to.